Oh, you go. That chicken can steal it faster than she can hang on to it. Come here. Come here. Come on. Yeah, you see it. They're doing a handoff here. Here, get one and eat it this time. Don't let somebody steal it. All right. It's a big chicken and she can't even fight for herself. Come on. Here you go. All right, get you one. Don't let somebody take it. All right, there's only one left. Come on, come get it. All right, you've had 3. You're gonna get fat. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy your chickens. Have a great day.